Hello and Happy New Year, my friends. It is great to see all of you. Hope you're doing well. Hope y'all had a wonderful New Year's being with your family and friends. How's your New Year's going so far? Let me know down below in the comment section. Mine is going great. Welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 334th episode and the first video of the new year 2020. Well, to kick off the first recipe in the new year, I'm going to show you how to make some cinnamon sugar donuts. And the best part about this recipe, they're baked, not fried. And my friends, these donuts are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're going to top them with a cinnamon sugar glaze on. And these donuts will be great to make with your kids, make a great breakfast, brunch, and on-the-go snack. Y'all going to fall in love with these. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my donut recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your sugar, your cinnamon, and your donut pan sugar, because we're about to bake some cinnamon sugar donut magic in my Southern Kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my sifter and my large bowl, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, or you can use all-purpose flour, but make sure you add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a half a teaspoon of salt. And to our flour, we're going to add in some yummy spices. I have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a fourth of a teaspoon of ground cloves, and an eighth of a teaspoon, which is a pinch of ground allspice. And my sugars, I have 1 cup of white sugar and a half a cup of packed light brown sugar. I'm just going to sift them together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, I'm through sifting the dry ingredients. So now we're going to set them aside while we work on the wet ingredients. Alright, my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 1 1/4 cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter that I let cool. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. I'm using clear. And instead of using an egg, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of cinnamon flavored applesauce, or you can use the original. And we're going to whisk the wet ingredients until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, so all we do now is combine the wet and the dry. Pour that in. And stir until it's well incorporated. And see how simple and easy this recipe is? And there's no grease involved. And no proofing. No yeast. I can smell the spices. Love the smell of cinnamon and nutmeg and cloves and allspice. Alright, my friends, the donut batter is done. Now we're ready to scoop them into the donut pans. We're going to scoop them into 2 donut pans that are greased with cooking spray. And you can find these at your local arts and crafts store, or you can get them online. So we're going to take a spoon and just pour them into the donut pan, like so. Alrighty, my friends, now we're ready to put the donuts in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 17 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. My friends, it smells amazing up in this kitchen. I have taken my donuts out of the oven, nice and golden brown. That's nothing like the smell of baked donuts. Alright, so now I'm going to let them cool for a few minutes. And while they're cooling, we're going to get started on our cinnamon sugar glaze. Alright, my friends, in my bowl, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar and a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. I'm just going to stir this until it's well combined. And there you have it, my friends. That's how simple and easy it is to make cinnamon sugar. Now we're ready to glaze the donuts. Alright, over here in this bowl I have melted 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So now we're going to take a donut. Then we're going to dredge the top. You don't want to soak it. And then we're going to put it into the cinnamon sugar. Just like that. Now how good does that look? And then we're going to put it on my cake stand. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish glazing my donuts and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Baked cinnamon sugar donuts. Don't they look good? Alright, now time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that cinnamon sugar. Bursting with cinnamon sugar goodness. And the donuts is soft and pillowy. And these donuts would be great for your kids' school lunches. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum! Oh, cinnamon sugar donut delicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also check out my previous video, Shrimp and Grits on Toast. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.